Hey, welcome back. Today we'll see how to crochet evil eye keychain. For this we'll need acrylic yarn, crochet hook, scissor, keychain, one lighter and swing needle, fiber to fill inside. Let's start by making a magic ring with black color acrylic yarn. Now add 6 single crochet into this ring. After making 6 single crochet, slip stitch into the first one. Now chain the yarn color to blue. Now add 2 single crochet in each of these. Then again, after completing this round, slip stitch into the first one. It will look something like this one. For round 3, add 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern all around. After completing the third round, chain the yarn color to white. In fourth round, add 1 single crochet in the first stitch, another single crochet in the second stitch and 2 single crochet in the third stitch. Repeat this pattern all around. Slip stitch into the first one. For fifth round, we'll make 1 single crochet in each of these stitches. For 6th round, chain the yarn color. Now add 1 single crochet in the first stitch, another single crochet in the second stitch, one more single crochet in the third one, and in the fourth stitch add 2 single crochet. Repeat this pattern for 6th round. Now make 2 of these and let's see how to join them. Take back loop of first evil eye and back loop of second one and join them together. Repeat this for all the stitches. Now add a little bit of fiber inside this evil eye and close this one completely. Attach a keychain hook and it's ready to use. Coming up next is a tutorial for evil eye card charm and check with swing card charm. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.